Hey guys, welcome to the channel The Earthen Pot. Today we are going to prepare butter garlic crab. That too with a twist. So let's see what's the twist. So we are here taking some carbonated water. So to be in specific, I'm using Sprite, and you must be wondering what exactly we are going to do with the Sprite. So first let's go ahead and boil the Sprite, and then we are going to put the crab. Now the reason for this is because these crabs are sea crabs, okay, and it has the salt content in it. So when you cook this in the Sprite, it will give you that extra sweetness, okay. So now let's go ahead and boil the crab. Now after 5 to 10 minutes of boiling, now let's go ahead and add some water to it. So now you can see the crab has turned the color, and this is a sign that it's properly cooked. So let's go ahead and clean the crab. The first thing, let's pull out the shell. There you go. And now we are going to clean the inside part. So just taking this part out. There you go. Pull out the unwanted stuff. And then we're going to cut them into half. So I'm using a scissor. Okay, there you go. So in two. Now here you must be wondering what exactly are we going to do with the shell. In the shell you have this fat. Because we have boiled it, you can get this fat easily out. Now let's take a preheated pan and add unsalted butter or plain butter, and a good chunk of butter here. Let it melt down. Now let's go ahead and add finely chopped onions. There you go. Now just cook this for a minute or two until the onions turn translucent, and then let's add very finely chopped ginger. At the same time, let's add finely chopped garlic. So the quantity of garlic should be more. Good quantity of garlic. That is when you get this nice garlic flavor. Okay, so let's go ahead and mix it. And now let's add salt as per taste. Give it a mix. There you go. Wow, the smell lovely. So here I'm going to add some chili sauce. Then this is barbecue sauce. Let's add some barbecue sauce to it. And then give it a nice mix. Wow, the barbecue sauce, the flavor, the aroma, wow, that's superb. Now just fry it for a minute, and now let's add some chili powder to it. Red chili powder as per taste. So this dish is not very spicy, okay. So now let's go ahead and add the boiled crabs. I'm adding the pieces one by one. Okay. And now let's go ahead and mix them. Ensure all the flavors that we have like the onions, the garlic, and everything, the mixture, each and every piece is nicely coated. Now let's go ahead and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes. Now understand one thing, that we have already cooked them. Now the final touch, let's go ahead and just garnish them with nice spring onions, okay. There you go, and we are ready with the butter garlic crab. Now there you go, you can see that. Wow, the mixture. Mm-hmm.
Delicious.